How to create a Bank of America account online. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you will be able to create Bank of America account online. So start by opening a web browser and search for Bank of America. Click on the official website link to access the home page. Look for the login option at the top of the page and click on it. Tap on Continue to log in. Since we are creating a new account, select the Enroll option. You will be directed to the account creation page. Begin by entering your card or account number followed by your security number or tax ID number. If you don't have a social security number, select the option provided. You can then enter your saving account number, debit card number and debit card PIN. After entering your details, click on Continue to complete the registration process. Your Bank of America account will be successfully created and you will be ready to use it. That's it. This is how you can easily create a Bank of America account online. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.